What's going on, guys? Chad Avery here at MarineMax Jupiter, and today we're on the Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Let's get right into it. So this boat's equipped with twin 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. Now we're gonna work our way into the cockpit here. We have a freshwater sprayer right at the transom, nice, easy. You're getting off the sandbar, your kids wanna spray their feet off before they get into the boat. It's very conveniently located. On the starboard side, you have your dive door, as well as a handle that can flip around when you step into the boat. It can also be flipped back, stowed away, out of the way. You have a floor mount for your ladder. Your ladder is located underneath this storage compartment right here that can be easily accessed. On both port and starboard, you're gonna have your fish boxes that are insulated. On the port side of the boat, you have two 3-position loungers, which can easily be moved by lifting this lever up and sliding it to whatever position you'd like, whether you want it all the way down. Maybe you want to lean this one forward. Have a nice big sun lounger. I'm just under 6 foot myself, and you can see I have plenty of room. See, on the starboard side, you have your summer kitchen here. You have a grill, your live bait well, storage compartment, the sink, as well as 2 cup holders. Now, you also get an optional refrigerator, as well as more storage compartments. Then you have your switches for your port and starboard fish box pump outs, as well as your freshwater, your saltwater washdown, and your live well. So off this, you also have your compartment for your battery switches, as well as your keys. And under here is a trash can. Now, working our way up more, you have another seat here that's bolstered. So whether you want bolsters up or down, there's also a lever underneath here that you can easily pull up and have the seat move to a different position if you want. Let's see, right at the helm, you're gonna have your joystick controls. This boat's equipped with a spotlight, your spotlight controls, throttles, trim tabs. You have your Simrad VHF radio. This boat's also equipped with a Simrad electronic system, and you have access to just about everything you'd want right here with your switches, from your windlass to your horn and all your lights on the boat. Boat also has a Ritchie compass, which is conveniently located right at the helm here. If something were to maybe happen with the electronics, you can always use that as a backup. On the port side of the boat, you're gonna have a nice little area to be able to change. Maybe the kids want to come down here and take a nap. You can also take this backrest here, and this actually turns into a filler, and then this whole thing will be a pad, which is nice if the kids want to take a nap. It could also be a good area for storage, and you can get AC down there as well. That's an option though. On the starboard side, you have your bathroom. And what's super nice about both these doors is that they have magnets on them. When you open it up, the magnet will actually hold the door open for you, and they're super strong magnets. You have a nice sink. There'll be a little platform here over the toilet if you wanted to temporarily store anything down there. Working our way up to the bow, if you wanted to be able to close this glass windshield off, you can actually flip this forward, close that, and then there's a latch right here. You can easily just pull this, shut the windshield if you wanted to close that off for the wind. Then when you open it, it locks right back into place. Now this boat does have a sun pad right here. We have it removed currently. You can have it either way if you want to have two people sitting on either side, one person in the middle, or you could put that cushion in. It goes to about right here, and then you can just make this one big sun pad. This boat, you got speakers up here, 2 cup holders on either side, and you actually have an audio control system right here on the port side. That way, if maybe just you and the wife are hanging out up here and you don't feel like going back to the helm, you can just access your radio right here. And that's going to conclude the walkthrough video on our Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. If you have any questions on the boat, call MarineMax Jupiter. And don't forget, my name is Chad.